How does matter flow? All organisms need more than energy to survive. They also need matter in the form of nutrients, oxygen, or carbon dioxide. Energy and matter are passed from one organism to another. Food chains. Standing at the base of a redwood tree, you are amazed, even with arms stretched and hands joined, you and your fellow hikers cannot reach around its trunk. How did such a living thing grow so big? A redwood forest has a huge amount of biomass or mass of living matter. In the redwood forest and in any other ecosystem, plants use the energy in sunlight to produce all of the biomass that other living things need. You've seen that sunlight gets captured by green parts of a plant. Plants also take in carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen from the soil, air, and water. The plants use these elements to make its living parts. When animals eat plants, both energy and matter pass to other living things. The pictures below show one example of a simple food chain. In a food chain, organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. Look at the pictures and then identify the producers and consumers in this food chain. So I want you to look at, first of all, here's the sun. This is the beginning of all food chains. So the sun produces energy. The plants absorb this energy and create its living parts. Here, the mouse then eats the plants. So here is my producer, the plants. My first level consumer, first level means that this is the beginning of the consumer cycle. The mice is going to eat the plant. And then as we move up the food chain, we have the second level of consumer, which is the bald eagle, which is going to eat the mice. Links in a food chain. A producer is always the first link in a food chain. In almost all ecosystems, the producer is a plant. In a redwood forest, plants such as rhododendrons, ferns, and mosses may grow between the trees. Grasses may grow in clearings. In the food chain, in the pictures, the grass are the producers. So again, we have the producer, first level consumer, second level consumer. Mice and golden eagles are also in this food chain. Mice eat the seeds of the grasses. The mice are the first or primary consumers in the food chain. The mice gain energy and matter from the grasses. The golden eagle is a predator of mice. A predator is an animal that hunts other animals for food. The hunted animals are called prey. The golden eagle gets its energy and matter from eating mice and other prey. Food chains may have more than one level of consumers. In this example, the golden eagle is at the top of the food chain. Animals at the top of the food chain have few, if any, predators.